Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you're new, welcome. So today I come literally just as a fresh face, hair's kind of doing some crazy shit, but anyway, I've come on today because I wanted to do a unboxing of a new subscription that I've kind of got involved with, which is this one, and it's the Curlee Box subscription. So as you can see, obviously my hair is in its natural state, and to be fair, for the past few weeks I've been having some real issues with my scalp and stuff, so I've been trying a few things, trying to figure out what it is, and I did a food intolerance test the other week, a couple of weeks back, and I got the results back. And yeah, I feel like some of the issues I'm having with my scalp is to do with some of the intolerances that it would appear I have to some foods. But whilst I'm kind of waiting for this to kind of subside and, you know, scalp and stuff, I thought to myself, I can't remember which hair video it was. I did a hair video a while back and I was saying that there's so many products out there that I'd love to be able to try, and you know, just sometimes it's very difficult to know which ones to try. You know, there's a lot of new brands out there coming up, and you know, just not knowing about them. So I thought, you know what, I've done a beauty subscription before, but I've never done a hair one. So I thought that might be a good opportunity in which to kind of just get some new products and see which works, which don't, that kind of thing, find out new products and all that. So I think there's one called Curlee Box, which is I think an American subscription box, but they don't ship to the UK. So I found this one, and it's by a company called Curlee Box, as I've already shown you guys. So this is my very first subscription. I do feel like it took a while to come. They said that the dispatch date was the 15th, so it gets dispatched on the 15th of each month. However, I did not get the box did not arrive to my house until I think it was like the 25th. So it was a good couple of weeks after the dispatch date, which wasn't necessarily the best. But I was excited to see what was in it. So I have opened it because obviously I wanted to do a video today. I've not opened it, but when you, I'll show you. When you open it, when you open it, as you can see there, it has it's packaged like that. It also does come with a little pamphlet, which I've just dropped on the floor. So if you give me one momento, I shall pick that up. So yeah, it comes with a little leaflet in there, and it tells you this is the October Curlee Box. And this one comes with 4 full-size products. It looks like none of the, actually, tell a lie. We've got, I'll show you them, but it comes in there, and I'll read obviously what it says on there. That might be quite helpful. So I wanted to kind of have a look to see if it's something that I could use today, because today is wash day, hence all this. So today's wash day, but I wanted to see if there was anything in here that I could potentially use, and let you guys know, my thoughts on them, if I like them, not like them. And I apologise if there's a glare on my glasses, but I've not worn my contact lenses for a while. I'm actually going to get LASIK eye surgery in the next few weeks, and part and parcel of that is that they would actually recommend you not to wear contact lenses or anything like that to kind of distort the shape of your eye when obviously they're doing the surgery. So I'm having to wear my glasses a lot more, so potentially, I've got another video to film after this one, but potentially after that video I may have already had the LASIK eye surgery, so I may record it. I'll have to see if I can record it for you guys so you can actually see. I'm a bit nervous, but anyway, that's not what this is about. Honestly, I can chat one. So nice again. So we'll open this. Okay, and it comes. It comes, package. Right, let's try it. It's like, ooh. So as I say, 4 full-size prices. Four full-size products is what I'm trying to get out, honestly. Oh, okay, so Lotta Body, I've heard of Lotta Body. I've used a couple of their products before. I've never used this, which it says it's the, what's it called? It says Lotta Body with coconut and shales, twists me curling styling pudding, defines curls, adds moisture and shine, creates a soft crunch-free curls for natural hair. And that is this. as I say, I've never used it before, and I must admit, when I'm doing twist out and such, oh god, it smells amazing. See, for me, the smell makes a difference. You know, when you get something and it smells like, you know, even though it's like with like medicine in it, you know sometimes it's good for you, but even if it don't smell nice, you don't necessarily want to take it. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's, oh yeah, it's like a, I don't want to like make it twist off, but yeah, that's the texture in there. And yeah, I don't tend to use actually styling products when I'm doing twist out, and then I find they don't actually last, which is obviously a pain in the booty. So I'd be interested to see if actually this gives any kind of hold as to when I'm doing, because I might do a twist out, I'm not too sure yet. So this says that you can twist, sink, shingle, coil or wash and go, and do not rinse out, diffuse. Yeah, so that's the styler. So yeah, that's number one. And then from the same brand, we've got this, the same range. So it's a coconut and shea oils, activate me curl activator, moisturizes and defines curls, refreshes curls and coils, tames frizz, no sulfates, no silicone for natural hair. Okay, so I feel like this is just a moisturizer really, by the sounds of it. So this is that. Hope you can. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to be able to see that. Yeah, that's a bit better, right? Right. There you go. So again, I think this probably will smell similar, because obviously it's the same. What's it called? Oh god, yeah, it smells so nice. And again, I am looking for a nice moisturiser. So yeah, so that's that. And then inside as well, we get, okay, this is a company called Naughty, 97% natural rinse and shine. The Naughty Truth, it says free from petrochemicals, parabens, sulfates, silicones, everyday shine shampoo, pure brilliant shampoo for normal to dry hair, with blue mallow flower and jojoba oil. Rinse and shine locks you. Rinse and shines. I can't speak. Rinse and shine to locks your. See this? It's because it doesn't read right. Rinse and shine to locks. What's that? Anyway, locks. You'll love with this 97% natural everyday shampoo, super nourishing glue, mallow flower, smooths everything over, while jojoba oil adds a generous dose of luster and shine. Applies to wet hair, blah blah blah. If you need more, add extra water rather than extra product, which I think I'm going to try this today, as I say, because it is wash day. So I will try this and see how I like that. And alongside that, it comes with a conditioner. Oh, I didn't show you that, did I? Oh, so you can see it. Yeah, so that's that. And then it comes with the conditioner. So I don't know if this is a deep. No, it's not. This is one where you just leave it for 1 or 2 minutes, which I kind of like to deep condition any time water wash touches the hair, but I'm going to give it a go and see how I like that. Oh, and then you get some samples as well. So this one is the Cream of Nature Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo. So yeah, you get, looks like I've got 2 of those. And then I've got, detangling conditioner, so I've got, which is good because they give you 3 of the conditioners, so I use them. And that's all that comes in the box. So, but what I will say is what it appears like I do like is that they give you the shampoo. I mean, obviously this is my very first one, so I don't know if this is. Sorry if it started raining. It has. Anyway, it was really noisy. I'd say it's the first one, so I don't know if this is the norm that they would give you the shampoo conditioner and then give you styling option, or if, obviously this is the first one, so I'll have to see what the next one holds. But I will say I am pleased to have some new products to try, and again, is hit and miss, but I'm gonna shampoo and I'm gonna condition, and then what I probably will do is come back once I've shampooed, conditioned, and then attempt to probably just use this on camera, just kind of see how it feels on the hair and how my hair feels after just using this kind of 2-minute conditioner. I'll probably leave it on for about 10 minutes, even though I say 2 minutes, about 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to go, lovelies, and I shall catch you shortly. Bye. And I'm back. So yeah, I've shampooed and can use the, which one is it? The Naughty Rinse and Shine Everyday Shine shampoo, that one, and the conditioner, and this is just a surface conditioner, it's not like a deep conditioner or anything. Now I will go first off with the shampoo. Now on here, obviously it's a sulfate free shampoo, and normal sulfate free shampoos, they don't normally sud up quite a lot. So with this one, it does actually suggest if it's not suddy enough, add water. But let me tell you, this is like any other. I mean, I'm not saying it's not sulfate free, I'm just saying the suds, it's really, it lathers up really, really well. I won't say it left my hair like overly moisturised, I don't think it did. Actually I might take my towel off. Yeah, this is the aftermath of of freshly shampooed and conditioned. It was a nice shampoo. With it being sulfate free, would I say I'd use it again? I probably would use it again. Just check it's like got me scalp pretty clean, but I've used my Aveda scalp, like I think it's like scrub. As I say, my scalp's been playing up. However, I will say it's less itchy, so whatever. I've kind of, I kind of took out a few food products that I felt like were contributing to the itch and all the rest of it, which I feel like at the moment, even though it's still quite flaky, I feel like it's healing because it's not even itchy anymore. But anyway, honestly, Jesus, I'm for you. So yeah, so this is that. The conditioner, if I'm being, no, I don't like it. It's quite thick actually. It's thicker than I thought it was going to be, so it's a bit grime because obviously I've just used it. It's a bit grime. It's a bit thick. I don't feel like now I've literally just rinsed it out. Don't get me wrong, my hair doesn't feel terribly dry, but for me, like I said, I like to have a deep conditioner, and yeah, to me it's just okay. So as I say, all rinsed, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to style it and come back. I'm going to literally use the Lots of Body coconut like, what's it called, moisturiser, so it's Activate Me Curl Activator. I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to use a little bit of this Twist Me as well. So I'm going to, what's that, curl styling pudding. So I'm going to use that, and all I'm going to do is going to do some big twists, and then I'll come back tomorrow just before I go to work and stuff, and like when I'm getting ready, and I'll kind of let you know what my final thoughts are on those two products. But hello, and I'm back. It's been a couple of days actually. I twisted my hair. It took a few days to dry, and I wanted to kind of give it the products chance enough to dry. Now I will say I feel like I don't know if you can see, but there's like little white bits in, and it also feels really sticky. Now I don't know if this is the which one, I don't know. I feel like it's the curl activator. I feel like it's this one that's sticking, because that's the one I put the most in of. Because assuming I thought it was obviously a moisturiser, but not too sure about that. I only put a little bit of the curl styling pudding. I only put a little bit of that in. But what I will say is, although it is sticky, I am actually going to have to rinse it and to get some of the stickiness away. But I do feel like it did definitely define. Normally when I do my twist outs, I feel like the curl pattern's not the best. I mean, it's a little bit frizzy here and there. So I will say this is a fail in regards to this twist style. As I said, it doesn't feel particularly nice, and I have literally 10 minutes to get to work, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this mess, but that's by the by. But I am going to try the products again, but I'm going to try them with less, especially this one, the Lotta Body one. I'm going to try that with less and just see if it makes a difference to the finish, but it is really sticky. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to come back and show you what my hair is looking like, and it's a hot mess, so yeah, it was a fail. But you know, these trials and errors that we have to do in order to make our hair work. So yeah, oh yeah, look at it, it's just, that's like a little knot, but you can just see all the white stuff on it. I mean, I do have grey, but this is just, you know, it's ridiculous, so to speak. So yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go try and attempt some style on this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, the craziness that is me, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below, and also thumbs up the video if you liked it. That would be really helpful, and also share the video as well. My goal for this year, I mean, we're getting close to the end of the year now, so maybe I'm a bit late in this, but my aim is to try and get to 1,000 subscribers. I think at this moment in time I'm at 400 something, 5? I can't remember, I should really know. No, I think I'm about 460, something like, anyway. But my aim is to try and get to 1,000 subscribers. But if you could help me with that, that would be awesome. That would be a fantastic new year for me, just as a goal setting. So yes, that's it for me. I'm going to stop waffling and crack on. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.